Oh, Twinkle Toes, get over here.
Yes, sir.
Twinkle Toes, how long until the presents are ready?
We have 5 days, sir.
5 days?
No.
We don't have
No.
5 days.
No.
5 days? We don't have 5 days. We only got 2 days. So you better make them count. Twinkle Toes, what are you doing? Get up.
Where's Twinkle Toes?
He's right there, moron. You just got him to first base with the door.
What? Oh, what's up, Twinkle Toes? How you doing?